Hey, Alex.
You eat 3 nuggets at the same time?
Alex, happy birthday, Alex. How old are you, Alex? Alex, how old are you? Alex.
Well, you got one more chicken left. Come on.
That's right. What are you eating?
Will, one more chicken left.
Rabbit.
Is that ketchup?
Yeah.
Right, one more chicken.
You want some of this? Want a shamrock shake for your birthday? Here. Happy birthday. Here. Yeah, give it to me. You better give it to me. I'm gonna take your nuggets. I'm gonna take your nuggets.
Give me a bite.
Whole bite. Eat the whole bite.
Give me a smooch. Mine. If you don't need it, I'm
Give that to me. All right, happy birthday, Alex. Bye-bye.
You want
Say
one?
bye. Say I love you. Alex, say I love you.
Yeah, you.
Bye.
Bye.
Is that what you want, Will?